Guys, welcome back to next video. In this video I'm going to talk about Solana ETF, which is huge news for someone who's more attached with Solana, because I've been trading a lot of meme coins, and if Solana demand increases, I'm pretty sure we're going to see another push up, leg up. That's what I'm expecting. We're gonna see a good leg up in meme coins. Election is coming in. Yes, there's 3-4 months still, but those coins are gonna boom as well. I'll make video on that, but in coming future. But this video, thank you very much for giving me good response. 280 views is nice when you have a dead channel that haven't uploaded for a while. So I really appreciate that. That's one thing. Second thing, follow me on my socials. You can subscribe as well. There's a lot of content regularly coming, and I'm very bullish on Solana because the chart looks very nice. What I mean by very nice is you have a good long consolidation, you have a big move up, a small pullback, shows that there's still bulls alive, very less sellers, and there was huge demand when there was initial move of meme coins, and then you get a bigger consolidation before leg up. That's very normal chart pattern. When I see the charts, I don't put any fancy stuff. My charts are so I want to know the story, what's happening on the chart. It's telling me for a while people thought it's dead, and the capitulation happened right here, and then we have a gradual leg up and people are still doubting it. Then pullback comes, then chase happens, and then when the chase happens, this is where smart money sells. This is where you see a big leg up. Okay, this big leg shows that there's a chase happening, and then you see the biggest volume coming in here and smart money selling to FOMO buyers, and then we have a pullback which is then bounce again, retest. All the people that were stuck here selling in this, it is very easy to understand the story of what's happening in the market. They're selling it, pullback comes, another opportunity for smart money to buy, and then I'm pretty sure we're going boom in Solana because the demand comparing to this here is a lot more for Solana. I don't like Solana network, it's shit, but yeah, chart looks good. I mean, who cares about the network itself? There's demand, there is demand. Took BTC trade, that chart looks shit. Alright, I draw a lot on my chart, so ignore it. Alright, the chart doesn't look nice here because I was using this here. I don't know what difference it makes, maybe, yeah. Anyways, the chart looks better here because I've been observing a lot when it comes to BTC in big range. So everything looks good. PEPE, very nice, smooth. So far, it's following a good setup right now. If you see, PEPE is doing just fine. It's struggling a little bit here. We're getting rejected from random lows. Let's take that out. I don't want to have the random. It was used, but not anymore. So this was consolidation, quick shakeouts, and now it's holding very well. There's potential that we can see a PEPE move up. Those are the two things that I want to share, and I'm very bullish on Solana itself. So don't fade Solana. Solana can go for potential new high in my opinion because it looks very nice, holding strong, and it's sitting close to the lows anyways. You're not buying up here, you're buying at still a discounted price if you want to buy some. I think in this year we can see a new high. Follow me on social medias. Do subscribe to the channel because you're gonna get a lot of contents. I posted about Muscat because I like it. I like the chart when the risk is low. Why don't you wanna buy when the risk is low? When it comes to ETF, when I files the first ETF, they mentioned on the Twitter as well, so you can go check that if you want. Blah blah. Matthew did say that. So yeah, the thing is the rumors. You wanna buy the rumors, sell the news. This is how it works. Buy the rumors, sell the news, and that's where you make the most money, right? A few meme coins I wanna talk about that look amazing. Ponke, very nice chart. It took basically many traders probably thought this is done, so it's gonna go down from here because it's breaking these lows, and the market took the liquidity, and then now it's pushing. It looks very bullish still, looks very strong. Everything looks just fine when it comes to Ponke, in my opinion. It had so many moves, so many big drops, so many moves, so many big drops. We can just check one of their drops. How many percentage did they drop? 60, 70% nearly each drop. So it's good, and it already shaked out so many people thinking it's over, and then it goes for a new high. Then it goes for, this was the biggest chase high. All right, like explained in Sol, this is kind of highs when people start chasing, and then it's holding now. There's a potential we can see another new high on this, because there is a huge community around it. Everyone knows about it. And the daddy, he's pushing it hard. Okay, Tate is pushing this hard. I'm not paid by Tate or anyone. I'm just saying Tate is pushing hard on this. I've shared this in my last video yesterday, and they're using volume bots. This is why you see 7 million, because if you see quick transactions coming, small transactions, maybe not, they already have huge market cap, maybe it's real, but 14,000, I don't know, but maybe using volume bot. But if it breaks this high, then there will be change of structure, because this was high low, now high. I did say yesterday it looks pretty good, but yeah, there's a big sell off happen here. Yeah, he's pushing it hard. I don't know if it's gonna go all-time high, but yeah, it is. Doky, it looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm still sitting at that zone. It looks damn nice to me, to be honest. New token launch, a Globe, whatever you wanna call it. A fellow YouTuber who launched it. So much FUD around it, like crazy amount of FUD around it. I don't know what's gonna do. It launched, spiked. It was craziness in the Telegram group. A lot of people think he rugged it, he sold. There were big sales happening when it got listed. I don't know what was insider buying or not. I was just observing, understanding how things happen when a YouTuber launches, because he accumulated a lot of YouTubers, a lot of followers very quickly. So yeah, that's another thing. You don't want to always just rush FOMO into things. You want to let the, like, I'll show you example. Muscat, I have damn good. Because you want to buy when something is cheap. You don't want to buy when something is expensive. You see, there's hardly any transactions happening, low volume. It means, and as long as the community is active, they're working on it. They're working on the game. Game is huge. I like the game. It's fun to play. So why wouldn't I have this in my bag? So I have this in my bag, and I'm kind of bullish on it, because they're working on the game, growing every day. The members, the players, actually, because I do observe the things I have in my watch list. I do play game casually. It's fun. If you wanna play, go to their website. There's a play to earn. So it's called Meme Hunt. But yeah, one of those things. So these are the coins that I talked about, and the big thing is when it comes to Solana, it's bullish. It's very bullish. I think we can see Solana push up to new highs. Accumulate in the dip, guys. You don't have to just accumulate in the dips, and we should be fine. All-time high is not even far. I think those people that were initially far back, they were stuck here, they will probably try to get out this time. I have all the drawings here, guys. I'm not here new. My channel first video is 6 years old, so I've been trading, doing a lot of shit for a while now. Okay, I've been here doing this stuff for so long. A lot of YouTubers came after, a lot of stuff happened after. I was even trading these highs as well. Imagine that. So yeah, I have a lot of history in my chart that look shit sometime. You see, a lot of initial breakout, predicting stuff, what's gonna happen, things like that. So this is what teaches you most. You don't learn from putting indicators. You understand how the zone was structured, how the breakout happened, and what is happening. What is market maker doing? Are they trapping people or doing what? Anyways, guys, hopefully this video was useful. And if you liked it, just give me a like, subscribe, or comment. Just say something. Tell me what coins you want me to talk about next, and I'll do that. Alright? Have a good day. Bye.